Good day, everyone. They say we should solve this question here. They say solve the limit. Limit of x approaches tan x minus x sine x all over what? Sine cube x. Tan x minus sine x all over what? Sine cube x. How do you solve this question? This equation are what? Trigonometric what? Ratio. How do you solve this? Now, in trig identity, tan x means what? Sine x over cos x. I showed you a video under what? Tan x, under trig identity, trigonometric ratio. How to get what? Tan x over sine x. Now, having this, we are going to what? Change it. Since we all know that what? Tan x is equal to sine x over cos x. We are going to change it by saying what? Sine x over what? Cos x. As you say, tan x means what? Sine x over cos x minus sine x all over what? Sine cube x. This is the expression of this question. Now, how do you solve further? How do you solve further? Now, if you watch on this side, you have sine x here and you have sine x. What do you do? I will say which words factorize. Take one outside by saying what? Sine x into what? 1 over cos x minus 1 minus 1. Are you following now? So that when you multiply this sine x to the variables inside the bracket, you still get back to what? This question. All over sine cube x, sine cube x. Now, what is your next step? What do you do next? Okay, let's use that side. Sine x into 1 over cos x minus 1 into sine cube x. Having this thing like this, what do you do? This one here can cancel this one. Abina, you'll be left with what? 1 over cos x minus 1 into what? Sine square x. 3 of this one cancel 1 of this one. You'll be left with what? 2 of it. Are you following now? Here now, you cross multiply. It's a fraction. Abina, you cross multiply by saying cos x times minus sine x as y. You have what? This one times this one, you have cos x. Sorry. 1 times 1 here gives you what? 1. Now, cos x times minus 1 gives you what? Minus cos x. Are you feeling now? All over denominator of this one gives you cos x. It's a fraction question. Now, you don't have to go and take LCM, follow all the method of taking LCM. Just cross multiply it by saying 1 times 1, you have 1 minus cos x times minus 1 gives you what? Minus cos x. All over the denominator, which is this one. Now, over what? Sine square x. Are you following now? This is what you are going to have. Don't forget, this is what? A division sign. This line here is a division sign. Why this one is for the numerator? Are you following now? We are going to say what? 1 minus cos x all over cos x. This sign means division sign. Abina, so I'm going to change by saying divide by what? Sine square x over 1. You know how this over 1? It just simply means over 1. So when changing this thing like this, you cannot solve this thing like this without changing the middle sign. How do you change the middle sign? Take the denominator to the numerator side and take the numerator, bring it down towards the denominator. So therefore, this sign changes towards multiplication sign. That is 1 minus cos x over x over cos x times. When you change this division to times, 1 goes up. That is 1 over what? Sine square x. Now, you multiply straight. When you multiply this thing, now, minus 1 cos x times 1 gives you what? It gives you minus 1 cos x. Are you following now? That is minus 1 cos x times 1 times 1 minus cos x times 1 gives you what? 1 minus cos x. Now, cos x times sine square x gives you what? Cos x sine square x. Are you following now? In this is what we got. Now, you cannot leave the answer like this. You have to what? Simplify. And I taught you in the first class on trigonometric ratio how to what? Get the trig function of things like this. Now, how do you get the trig function, or what is the trig function of this thing? You know that cos x sine square x is a trig identity. I following is a trig identity. And what does it mean? It means 1 minus cos x into what? 1 plus cos x. Are you feeling now? This is the meaning of what? Cos x sine square x. Now, since we all know that 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x represents this thing, we are going to say 1 plus cos x into what? 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. Are you following now? We have represented this thing by this one. Now, let's simplify. This one here will cancel this one time. Are you following now? You'll be left with what? 1 all over what? 1 plus cos x. Abi now, 1 plus cos x. But don't forget at the beginning, they say what? Limit as at what? X approaches what? 0. That's to say, at this point, anywhere you see x, you put what? 0. That is 1 over what? 1 plus what? Cos 0. Are you following now? Because x in the limit has what? 0. X in the limit is what? 0. Is 1 over 1 plus. Now, cos 0 means what? 1. Anywhere you see cos 0 means what? 1. And so I'm going to have what? 1 equal to 1 over 1 plus 1 gives you what? 2. And this becomes what? Your final answer. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Thanks for watching.